Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a folder and upload files in GitHub, step by step, all from the GitHub website with no code. Let's jump in. So first, open your browser and go to github.com. If you're not signed in, click sign in the top right and enter your account details. I'm already signed in, so I'll click my profile picture in the top right. In the dropdown, I'll select your repositories. That opens the repository list. I'll choose the repository where I want the new folder. I'm using a demo project repo. The page lands on the Code tab, and that's where the Add File button sits. Click Add File, then choose Create New File. This opens the GitHub file editor. The field at the top is labeled Name Your File, and this is where the folder actually gets created. GitHub does not have a separate New Folder button. You make a folder by typing the folder name, then a /, then a file name. So in that field, I'll type Documents, then a /, then sample.txt. As soon as the / is in place, GitHub reads everything before it as the folder and everything after it as the file. Keep the folder name short and clear because you'll be clicking through it a lot. Below that field, the editor is open. I'll add one short line of text so the file is not empty. Now scroll down to Commit Changes. The first box is the commit message. I'll type Create Documents Folder. That message is what shows in the commit history, so be specific. The extended description can stay empty for a small change like this. Keep the branch set to main, then click Commit Changes. GitHub saves the file, and when the page finishes loading, you're back on the repository page. The file list now shows a Documents folder. Click it, and inside is sample.txt. Now that the folder exists, you're going to upload an existing file from your computer into it. Make sure you're inside Documents. The breadcrumb above the file list confirms the location. Click Add File, and this time choose Upload Files. The upload screen opens with a drag and drop area in the middle. You can drag files straight onto that box, but I'll use Choose Your Files because it's more precise. I'll select two files at once, projectnotes.txt and logo.png from my desktop, and click Open. The files queue up with a progress bar, then a check mark when the upload is ready. Before you commit, this is the moment to check the list. This repo is public, so anything here is visible to anyone. I'm making sure there's no password file, no API key, no access token, no private document, and no personal information sitting in that upload list. Scroll down to Commit Changes. In the commit message field, I'll type Upload Project Files. I'll leave the description empty. Click Commit Changes. GitHub now pushes both files into the Documents folder. The progress is quick for small files. Once it finishes, the page loads back into the folder, and both files are listed. If you need another folder, you don't need a new tool. Click Add File, choose Create New File, type images /logo.png, scroll down to Commit Changes and click it. GitHub creates the images folder automatically. Notice there is no way to create an empty folder here. The Add File menu only gives you a new file or an upload, never a new folder. That's by design in Git. A folder only shows up once it contains at least one tracked file. So if you need a folder that's essentially empty, drop in a placeholder file, like a blank text file, so the folder actually appears. Now click the repository name in the breadcrumb at the top to get back to the root. Notice the visibility badge next to the repo name. If it says public, everything you just uploaded is visible to anyone with the link. For personal files, use a private repository. Changing visibility later is possible, but it's far safer to start private. And now that you're back on the root, keep the layout clean. Documents go in Documents, images go in Images, and the README file stays at the root. If this got your files up, give it a like, subscribe if you want more GitHub workflows, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.